Hey YouTube, Drew here with Florida Home Theaters. Going to show you another installation that we've just completed. So this was actually a retrofit. So this particular installation already had these speakers actually in the ceiling here. And what we did was we added the SVS Prime bookshelves in center to this system. These are great bookshelves, and also upgraded to the 86 LG. Great cost-effective panel, looks good. Got this silver bezel. This is actually really nice, aluminum, nice touch. I think that's the 8070 model, LG 8070. And then we also added here the surround speakers. So we're doing, with this we have a 7.1.2 Atmos. So that's what we're doing. Our equipment will be here. Yamaha RXA 1080, that'll support all those channels. Got our Samsung Blu-ray, using the Sonos Connect as our media streamer. Pro control here, Wi-Fi Orbi access point, and cable box over there. So, and APC back there. So everything's tucked in there. We're probably going to add a fan on that just to keep it cool in there. That'll be next step. And then controlling the system with the Pro control. So it makes life easy. So just turn that on. We've also added the LED backlight under the cabinetry there. Got those wired in, those look really nice. Subwoofer we've got back here. This is the SVS SB2000 and the high gloss. So really nice finish with that. And got some motorized theater seating here. So that's our look, looks nice. Remote control, so it automatically will take us to our cable. Then hit the home. We can select our other sources from there. So let's say Blu-ray. And the system will reconfigure for the Blu-ray player. There we go. And then if you want to stream some content on off the LG itself. So we got some content there. Yeah, some ads. So, sounds really good. So, another feature we have is we have our lighting control. So if you wanted to change the look, you can do that. You can do fade if you want to do the fade. Pretty straightforward. Some other colors, green, reds. It's pretty cool. Nice touch. You can kind of customize it if you're having a party or something. Got Bluetooth, obviously to the receiver, functions like that. We added Sonos here too. So we have the Sonos. Then you go into the Sonos app. And so you could have, this client actually has several zones of Sonos. So he can incorporate this as part of the home audio, which is nice. And then maybe go back to cable. Switch it back to cable. And when you get done, basically everything can be powered off here. Power off. And that'll incorporate the lighting So if you think you'd like to update your media room, give us a ring, 407-351-5798. Check us out on the web, www.floridahometheaters.com. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, leave those below. Be happy to answer those if you need any help with your system. Thanks for checking it out.